On December 10, 2023, the Peruvian Congress approved a bold budget for 2025 aimed at significantly enhancing the operational capabilities of the Peruvian Air Force, Fuerza Aérea del Perú, FAP. The centerpiece of this initiative is the acquisition of 24 advanced fighter jets to replace the aging Mirage 2000 fleet. This project, estimated to cost $3.5 billion, is one of the largest military investments in Peru's history and signals a turning point for the country's defense strategy. The first phase, amounting to $2 billion, will be financed through long-term debt via Banco de la Nación. Peru's Mirage 2000 aircraft, which have been in service since the 1980s, are reaching the end of their operational life. These multi-role fighters were first purchased in the 1980s as part of an effort to modernize the Air Force during a period of regional tensions. The acquisition of the Mirage 2000s marked a significant step in strengthening Peru's defense capabilities and solidified Dassault Aviation's position as a key supplier to the country. However, as the Mirage fleet ages, the need for more advanced and capable fighters has become pressing. To replace the Mirage 2000s, Peru is evaluating three major options for its next-generation fighter jets. These options, each tailored to different strategic needs, come from renowned global manufacturers: Dassault Aviation, Rafale, Lockheed Martin F-16 Block 70, and Saab Gripen E/F. Dassault Aviation, Rafale. The Rafale, a versatile and cutting-edge multi-role fighter, is seen as one of the most capable options. It offers superior air-to-air, air-to-ground, and reconnaissance capabilities, making it a comprehensive solution for Peru's defense needs. The Rafale is equipped with next-generation AESA radar, the advanced Meteor missile, and strong stealth capabilities. However, it is the most expensive option, and its acquisition could strain Peru's defense budget. Despite the cost, the Rafale offers full interoperability with Western forces, making it a powerful asset in global defense collaborations. Given Peru's history with Dassault Aviation, the transition to the Rafale could be smoother and more familiar for FAP personnel. Lockheed Martin F-16 Block 70. The F-16 remains one of the most widely used and reliable fighter jets in the world. The Block 70 variant is a modernized version, featuring advanced AESA radar, a new cockpit, and upgraded avionics. Known for its cost-effectiveness, the F-16 offers a balanced solution, providing proven reliability and operational flexibility. Its widespread use worldwide ensures a robust global supply chain for spare parts and maintenance, making it an attractive option for Peru. The F-16's compatibility with Western combat doctrines and established performance record could make it a strategic fit for the Peruvian Air Force. Saab Gripen E/F. The Gripen E/F offers a lightweight, cost-efficient solution with lower operating costs, making it an ideal option for nations with limited defense budgets. This fighter stands out for its capability to operate from austere airstrips, its simplified maintenance needs, and its low-cost footprint. Saab also offers significant technology transfer programs, allowing Peru to integrate its local defense industry into the Gripen production process. The Gripen E/F is equipped with an AESA radar and advanced electronic warfare systems, providing a compelling balance of affordability and high-performance capabilities. In addition to the options provided by Western manufacturers, Peru is also exploring alternatives from South Korea, particularly the KF-21 Boramae and KF-1 Halcón fighters. These aircraft represent a strategic shift towards diversifying Peru's military procurement sources. KF-21 Boramae, developed by Korea Aerospace Industries, KAI, the KF-21 is a next-generation fighter that promises advanced performance and cutting-edge capabilities. Its integration into the Peruvian Air Force would also bring significant technology transfer opportunities, helping to bolster local manufacturing capabilities. The KF-21 offers a competitive alternative to Western fighters, with the added benefit of strengthening ties with South Korea, a trusted partner in defense cooperation. KF-1 Halcón, a lightweight and budget-friendly fighter, the KF-1 is designed for emerging nations and is ideal for replacing aging Soviet-era aircraft, like the MiG-29s currently in service with Peru. The KF-1 offers reduced acquisition and operational costs, making it an attractive option for a nation looking to modernize without overstretching its budget. Peru is already preparing to produce parts for this aircraft locally, signaling the potential for future joint production and long-term defense cooperation with South Korea. Peru's defense modernization extends beyond the Air Force. In recent years, the Peruvian Army and Navy have also undertaken significant upgrades to their respective capabilities. In 2024, the Peruvian Army signed a deal with Hyundai Rotem to acquire K-2 Black Panther tanks and K-808 armored vehicles, replacing older T-55 tanks. This acquisition, along with the possibility of local production, strengthens Peru's land defense while promoting technological transfer and industrial development. The Peruvian Navy is similarly enhancing its maritime capabilities. An agreement with Hyundai Heavy Industries aims to design and construct a new submarine to modernize its underwater fleet, a critical component for safeguarding the nation's territorial waters and maritime resources. Significant investments are also being made in naval infrastructure, with funds allocated for the modernization of key facilities like the Sima Callao shipyard and the Callao Naval Air Base. For 2025, Peru has allocated a defense budget of approximately $2.37 billion, 8.89 billion sols, marking a 2.8% increase from the previous year. This investment reflects the country's commitment to modernizing its military forces across all domains, with a focus on enhancing operational readiness, diversifying procurement sources, and promoting local industrial development. As Peru continues to navigate a complex geopolitical environment, these strategic defense initiatives will play a critical role in strengthening its military capabilities. By fostering international partnerships with key defense players like Dassault Aviation, Lockheed Martin, Saab, and South Korea, Peru is positioning itself as a stronger, more self-reliant nation capable of meeting contemporary security challenges. Through technological modernization and local industrial integration, Peru is laying the foundation for a more secure future.